Welcome to our topic. Today we will share about mirroring. If I were you and if you were be me, how can we react that situation? Let's see, our background are not the same. We don't even know what is happening inside the people. Mirroring is so hard to practice, but in a busy of the day, if we have a little chance, you can practice about mirroring, sometimes called empathy, the process of trying to learning about if we are in him or if we are in her place, the situation, how can we react the situation in a good way if I am in your place. Mirroring in the life cycle. Everything we do will be reflection on us in some way, in another way. So get a little bit and keep practice something. Mirroring and reflection. Something like that. Thank you for today. Thank you for your coming. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. And goodbye in the mirror. Have a good way.